Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks with another video. Today I want to talk about the pros and cons of being a YouTuber. Yes, you guys, there are pros and there are cons to everything, especially being a YouTuber. So let's talk about some of the pros and cons. Or should I say, no, I think what I'll do is I'll talk about the cons first. Yeah, I'll talk about the cons first and then I'll talk about the pros, all right? Or which one would you rather me talk about first? Okay, I'll do the cons first. All right. So I wrote down quite a few, and these are really good ones. So let's get into this video right now. The first con of being a YouTuber are the trolls and the haters. Okay? Regardless of what status or what stage you are as far as being a YouTuber, whether you're a beginner or you're more popular, you're always going to have your trolls and you will have your haters, so expect it. Another con as far as being a YouTuber is one of the hardest things to do is getting started. In the beginning, you're very inexperienced, you don't know what to say, you don't know how you're going to look, you don't know how you're going to get perceived over the internet. So yeah, in the beginning it could be hard, and sometimes it takes a while for your channel to actually grow. So yeah, that's a con. Another con is those more seasoned YouTubers, the big popular ones, they don't even look at the little guys, okay? You will not get a collab. You will not get an invite to whatever the events are. When you're a beginning YouTuber, if you're trying to collab with someone that has a higher platform than you, they're not even going to look at you. They'll probably ignore you. They probably won't even write you back. Okay, so that's the hardest thing. When you're trying to hook up with other YouTubers to, you know, make video content and all of that, they won't even look at you, girl. Another con is your channel could be affected by other people's behavior. Okay? We're all in the same barrel, okay? All of us on YouTube, we're all colleagues of each other. So we're all colleagues of YouTube. So when one colleague does something that affects the whole company, everyone gets reprimanded. Just like when that dude, I don't even remember his name, but there was this young guy that filmed a dead body, a real live dead body. And because of that, it caused a whole big thing on YouTube. They came down on everybody, okay? And in the worst way, financially. Because all of us that was getting bigger checks, the checks kind of went half. They cut them in half. They came up with all of these different types of rules and the whole nine. So when other YouTubers that do inappropriate things conduct themselves in inappropriate ways, it can affect everybody. Like right now, the biggest thing on YouTube is Tasha K and Cardi B and the whole, you know, her being sued and the whole nine. Well, that can take an effect on those drama channels, and who knows, all of us. So yeah, one of the biggest cons of being a YouTuber is sometimes your channel can be affected because of somebody else's inappropriate behavior or content. Another con is trying to develop genuine friendships on YouTube. Wow, you guys. But I've noticed that whenever I see other channels collabing, and depending on the person, one minute they'll be good friends and next minute everybody's in the fallout with each other. It's really hard to develop genuine friendships here on the YT. Another con is brands. If you are not hitting them high numbers, those major brands won't even look at you. Okay? And depending on where you are as far as your numbers, you'll get brand deals. But the really good brands that you may want to sponsor your videos, sometimes they won't even look at you. Okay? So it's not until your channel gets to a certain status that those brands, those bigger brands, we talking about TV status brands, commercial status brands, or whatever, won't even consider you. You may get the same company offering to sponsor your video, but sometimes they play favorites as well, because another YouTuber may get more money than you, and you on that channel, no. A lot of times when you negotiate your price for a sponsored video, sometimes to promote their product, you may not get as much as that last person who promoted the same product. So these brand companies can be a little funny when it comes to them supporting you Financially, you may not get as much as the other person's. Them brand deals can be another con. Another con, you guys, you don't get the same financial respect. Yeah, you know, even when your channel has gotten to a certain status, if you are not hitting them super duper digits, financially, you're not going to get as much money from those brands than another colleague of yours. So that's kind of jacked up, but it's not even based on your subscriber count. It's based on your advertisements. So you may not get the same type of deal as your other colleague. And one of the biggest cons that I have as far as being a YouTuber is the lack of connection that we have with YouTube. Do you know it's hard to get in touch with these folk? Okay? If you don't have a manager or a support team somehow, you are not getting in touch with anybody. It's like you got to send emails, you got to online chat with these people. Sometimes the poor communication can kind of be a little sticky. Let me not even go there. So now, let's get into the pros of being a YouTuber. Now that we got all the negative stuff out the way, let's now focus on the pro. One of the biggest pros of being a YouTuber is you can monetize your channel, which means cha-ching. You can make money. You can actually make an income. You can actually retire and do YouTube full-time. Yes. You can make some serious money on YouTube. So depending on your content, depending on your personality, depending on you, you can really make a good living on YouTube. Another pro is connecting with all of you wonderful subscribers. Oh my gosh. The biggest pro about this and what we do over here are you guys. You guys are why we do what we do. You're why I do what I do. I love helping other people, and my way of helping other people is showing you how to take better care of yourself. So yeah, I love the personal connections that I have with you guys, the connecting in either in the comment section or either behind the scenes on the email. So yeah, that's the best part of what I do. My personal connections that I have and interactions that I have with you guys. Another pro is you can actually promote your business. So like if you have a store and you're selling merchandise, like what I'm getting ready to do and so many of us are doing right now, you can actually promote a company. You can actually promote and grow your business via YouTube, via Instagram. You can actually get a bigger following that way. So that's always a good thing. And of course, another pro are the brand deals. You get brand deals being a YouTuber. Depending on your channel, you can get some really good brand deals. Some of your favorite YouTubers you've seen on your favorite TV shows, like Wild 'N Out, like Ren, like all these Comedy Centrals. There's so many of us. Magazines, you see YouTubers on the cover of magazines, doing hair magazines, depending on what your channel is about. If you're doing locks and you're doing all sorts of hair stuff, you can get brand deals from magazines, doing fashion shoots, doing hair shows, doing all sorts of stuff, okay? You can get brand deals doing commercials, doing voiceovers. You can get brand deals and become discovered just like Queen Naija, as well as other ones on our radio. Her songs are blowing up all over on the radio. I hear it every day, a couple of times a day. So you can actually become discovered just being a regular YouTube, doing what you do best. Another pro of being a YouTuber are the sponsored videos. You can get all sorts of perks, meaning free clothes, free shoes, as well as ching money, okay? You can actually negotiate a deal with these companies who are interested in you promoting their product. You may have a video promoting whatever the items are. I've done so many sponsored videos from so many various different companies, but you can negotiate not just getting free clothes, free shoes, free stuff. You can actually make extra money. So yeah, those are the wonderful pros of being a YouTuber. Another pro is meeting you guys. Do you realize how it feels? I'm just minding my business and I will hear, wait a minute, I know you. I've seen you before. Or where have I seen you before? The best part of what I do is meeting you guys. I could be randomly in the street and I'll just be approached by you guys. So it is always a wonderful thing when I meet my subscribers, when I meet my followers, when I meet my family. You know what I'm saying? When I meet you guys, y'all pop up all over the place. I could be in the supermarket shopping. I could be at City Island eating crabs and lobsters. And who do I hear? I'll hear, hey, I saw you at City Island in the comments. And I'm like, what? Or you will see me in the streets and be like, wait a minute, I know you. Aren't you Velvet Locks? Okay, so it is such a wonderful thing meeting you guys on my everyday. And another thing, another pro from being a YouTuber and doing what I do is you guys hold me accountable. Not only am I a brand, but I have to live the life that I'm walking. If I'm doing a health journey, if I'm on a health journey, if I'm talking about, you know, weight loss and all of this, I try, okay? I gotta do what I gotta do. I can't be out of shape, not even out of shape, but I can't, you know, show you what's good for weight loss if it hasn't worked on me first. All right? So yeah, you guys hold me accountable because I research what I'm putting out for you guys. And not only just researching it, also doing it myself. Now, since I've reached my goal weight, I don't really drink a lot of the concoctions, but I've researched them and I know they work because of the ingredients that I've worked with before in the past. So you guys hold me accountable because not only do you get on my case if I do something wrong, but you also show me and tell me all your wonderful testimonies about whatever I've shown you to do or instructed you in a video to do to lose the weight. I come back hearing all of your wonderful comments, all of your success stories. Oh Lord, you just don't know how some of these stories really touch my heart, really shed tears behind the scenes, because I've never thought that being a YouTuber can be such an enjoyable, just an enjoyable experience. You know, you have your ups and downs, but for the most part, it's worth being a YouTuber. Honestly, I never thought I could do this. I never thought I would be doing this. But honestly, the joy for helping you guys, helping other people, and hearing your stories about what I've told you to do helped you and how it's changed your life makes what I do all the more better. All right? So yeah, those are my pros and cons for being a YouTuber. And if any of you who are watching this who are YouTubers, what are your pros and cons of being a YouTuber? List them. Make a video about it. Let us all know, okay? So yeah, you guys, thank you for joining me on this video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, okay? Follow me on Instagram. I got some stuff that I'm doing outside of YouTube. I'll put all my social media platforms down below. But yeah, I enjoy being a YouTuber, all right? So thank you so much, you guys. And again, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.